people go through life holding back.
The first way to get focus is to find purpose.
If you get into the habit of just being mediocre, it will become a part of your consciousness.
The way to find purpose is you must identify what it is that you have to be purposeful in.
If you get in the habit of giving less than what you have it within you to give, it will begin to reflect itself in your personality.
See, you have not discovered who you are. You have to discover who you are in order to move you forward.
And so my question to us is this: when the situation or the moment does not go our way, because we all know what to do when it goes right, but when God says no, who will you be?
You want to set some high standards for yourself. There's greatness in you, and you've got to learn how to tune out the critics outside and the critic inside. And since I'm going to do this, I'm going to harness my will, and I'm not going to let anything stop me.
Be clear in your mind in what you intend to achieve. How often do we see people going through their lives without knowing what they are trying to do, without having any intent, without having a clear mission? People go through their lives without knowing what it is they want to do.
Decide to do it now. Decide whatever you want to do, that you are now going to become actively involved right now, exploring the possibilities for you. There's room for you out here in the arena called life. There's room for you to come out and live your dream. Don't allow but to keep you in the corner.
For those of you who know anything about basketball in the United States, there was a guy once named Michael Jordan. And when Michael Jordan, at the end of the year, he would win what's called the shooting contest. So throughout the whole year, he might have averaged 32 points. But if you paid close attention, the guy that was in second place might have averaged 30 points, and the guy under him might have averaged 29 points. Listen to me, this is important. For each shot, it's worth 2 points. So in actuality, Michael Jordan only scored one more, possibly 2 more baskets a game. The guy only made 1 or 2 more shots a game over the course of his career than everybody else, and he's better, makes more money, lived a better life than everybody because he sacrificed enough to get those 1 or 2 shots. And I'm telling you, you're not where you want to be financially, and it's not going to take 20 shots. You are not where you want to be in your personal life. You are not the person you want to be, and it's not going to take you 20 shots. For some of you, it's 1 more shot. For some of you, it's 2 more shots, and you have not given yourself enough credit to say, I just need to get up a half hour earlier, and my whole life will change. I just need to get up 1 hour early. I just need to work 1 hour longer. I need to stop hitting that snooze button. If you were to make that one change, that one sacrifice, you would stop dreaming and start living it.